1 pan garlic soy chicken rice. 150g of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. One to 2 cloves of garlic. Chop. $50g of Japanese green onion. Slice or chop. One teaspoon of somi shantan or stock powder or bouillon. Half teaspoon of dashi powder. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. A dash of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Medium heat. 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Heat the pan well. 200g of chicken thighs. Cook skin side down. A dash of salt and pepper. Add the chopped garlic. Once the skin is brown, flip it over and reduce the low heat. Move the chicken to the edge, then add well-drained washed rice. 200 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Add the chopped green onion. Mix the sauce and rice thoroughly. Keep the chicken on top of the rice. Turn up the heat and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the low heat, cover with a lid, and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and wait for 10 minutes. Mix well. Please cut the chicken into your preferred size. Garnish with chopped green onion or sprinkle with black pepper if desired. 今日の料理はフライパンで作るニンニクチキンライスでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.